Welcome. Have you ever wondered how apps like Spotify or Netflix update so frequently with new features? It is not magic. It is a specific way of working. Today, we are going to explore why modern tech companies use agile development and how it compares to the traditional method known as waterfall. First, let us look at the old way of doing things, called the waterfall methodology. Imagine a waterfall cascading down steps. You complete one stage entirely before moving to the next. You finish all requirements, then do all the design, then build it, test it, and finally launch it. Once you move down a step, it is very hard to go back up. This linear approach creates massive risks. What if you spend 6 months building software, only to realize at the very end that the user does not like it? With waterfall, testing happens too late. You might spend a fortune building the wrong thing because you cannot easily change direction once the project starts. Enter Agile development. Unlike the straight line of waterfall, Agile is a continuous loop. It is about planning, building, testing, and reviewing in small cycles. It is iterative, meaning you repeat the process over and over, improving the product a little bit each time. In Agile, we break a massive project into small, manageable chunks called sprints. A sprint typically lasts 1 to 4 weeks. Instead of trying to build the entire application at once, the team focuses on finishing just a few features, like a login page or a shopping cart, within that short time frame. One major advantage is flexibility. In the traditional model, changing the plan is a nightmare. In Agile, change is welcomed. Because the team works in short cycles, they can pivot quickly if the market changes or if a competitor releases a new feature. They are not locked into a plan made a year ago. Another benefit is continuous feedback. In Agile, you show your work to customers at the end of every sprint. This means you get immediate reactions. You know instantly if you are on the right track, ensuring that the final product is exactly what the user needs, not just what the developer guessed they wanted. Agile also significantly reduces risk. By testing early and often, bugs are found when they are small and cheap to fix. This fail fast mentality prevents the catastrophic, big bang failures that happen when you try to integrate huge amounts of code at the very end of a project. To summarize the difference, waterfall is sequential and rigid, focusing on following a strict plan. Agile is iterative and adaptable, focusing on delivering value. Waterfall risks delivering a product nobody wants after a long wait. Agile delivers working software frequently. Ultimately, tech companies prefer Agile because it offers a faster time to market, higher customer satisfaction, and a better return on investment. In a world where technology changes every day, the ability to adapt is the ultimate competitive advantage.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.